show you the second tutorial, boss fasteners, that it was of the basketball rim. Well, during the basketball rim, we actually have to do the whole process of the first tutorial, kind of. First, we have to declare the force that is going to be applied to this, and we have to declare the holes too. But it's not actually said during the tutorial, so you have to remember and you have to actually learn. Then I have to declare parts of the bolts that is gonna be using the data that they give us of the bolts, and then repeat it for the four of them because they're exactly the same. And then here I have a problem, I did it wrong, and then I fix it. And after that you have to make the contact. We have to declare the contact of these two pieces, that is the rim and the base. I had to figure it out. Then we also come back to this part of us declaring how many of these triangular pieces are going to be making our simulation, and we have to take the tensions simulation and the displacements. And here we can see that here I change it to the PCIs, and we can see that the yield strength, or the elastic limit as it says in Spanish, is the same as the tutorial. And actually the range are even though it's not the same colors because the range is different, it's actually the same results as the one showed, and the displacements do the same thing. Now here we have to take the forces applied to the bolts. That a really important thing is that it's going to be the same for these two because they are symmetric, and it's going to be the same for these bottom two too. Because they're also symmetric. A very important thing to say is that even though the results here do not match the same, I checked and double and triple checked, and I didn't do anything wrong with the creation of the bolts nor to the actual pieces or anything. So I do not understand why it's not the same between these two, but I would take a guess and say that the tutorial was wrongly made.